L Train, where are we going?
Digging for diamonds.
Carrie, where are we going?
Digging for diamonds.
Lace, where are we going?
Digging for diamonds, and I'm gonna earn 6,000 buckaroonies.
Lawson, where are we going?
I don't know.
Levi, where are we going?
To dig for diamonds.
Digging for diamonds! Chase Haynes, where are we going? You'll be just fine. Hey Lace, what state are we in?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Before we go digging for diamonds, I want to give you guys a quick tour, maybe like a 30-second one-wheel RV tour of Murfreesboro RV Park. All right, so the lady said that we could use these, right? What's the deal here? Free loaner mining gear if you stay 2 nights here. I'm gonna give Lawson the update on how to do this, okay? There's gonna be a couple jobs and we'll rotate through. This is what she told me, like, and I'm gonna try to remember. Basically, someone's gonna dig up some dirt, you want gravel, and you wanna put the gravel in there. Then, she said something like, you gotta shake it to the left, shake it to the right, turn it around, use physics to get everything down into the next one. Then you take this one down and you get the dirt piles in the middle, shake it out, do it again, and then turn it upside down and put it down. And then in the middle is gonna be where your diamonds might be. You got all that?
Yeah!
Okay. I didn't really get all that either. We might have to look up a video on that or something. But she said that in the 3 years she's been digging for diamonds, she found 2. You gonna find one? All right, let's do it. This is a really cool state park. They got this big pool area behind here, slides. If we were here during the summer, I'm sure it would be a much different vibe. The diamond trail starts here. I'm gonna find me a diamond.
No, you're not.
You're gonna find me a diamond.
Well, you already got you a diamond. You don't get no more diamonds. What are you gonna do if you find a diamond, Landon?
Sell it to a jewelry store
Right
for
away.
$10,000.
If I get a diamond, I'm gonna trade it in for another diamond. I want to say thank you to Steph McGaw. I think that's how you say your last name. Steph recommended that we come here when we visited Arkansas. So we are here because of you. If anyone else has any suggestions of where we should go on this RV journey, please leave us a comment, send us a message. We appreciate it. 37.5 acres. How long do we have?
3 diamonds in
Is there a time limit?
We have to leave it 4. It's 1:38.
Oh man. I'm gonna find me a diamond. Whatever it takes. I'm gonna get me a diamond. All right, y'all, sniff it out.
Like down by the water.
Sniff it out. We have to apply our great knowledge that we learned on how to wet sift. They got steps for you here.
That just looks like dirt. So
Let's go, let's go. I got a good feeling about this bucket.
Wait.
Dad, our first bucket.
I feel it, man, I feel it.
That's not just a regular rock. I think you might
You're
need
supposed
to
to use
go
your
in.
hands, they said.
Yes, so, like move the dirt around like that.
Swishing it around. Don't yeah.
Oh, I need.
Then maybe you can help hold it.
Can you put it down
Do her
on
hands.
something or no? That's pretty
Not
good.
that cool. Can me and Levi take turns doing this, Dad?
I think so, yeah.
You do a scoop.
So try to not do so much water.
One scoop for me. Nice.
She was dedicated to that sifter.
We have to go to the master to
Hey,
ask him
we
if it's a
don't-
diamond.
We don't know. We don't know if this is a diamond.
Give me.
We're not
Dad, don't try to
Now, hold
steal
on, hold
it
on.
from her.
Let me just hold on to it and verify. Don't drop it.
I'm going to the
Let me
master.
see it.
I'm
The
going
master.
To the
Who's the
master.
master?
The guy with 4 buckets. I think I found myself a quartz. No. Where's the diamond?
Okay.
I don't think it looks like
Quartz,
quartz.
like, are clear, hard crystals that have sharp points in it.
It doesn't have a sharp point.
Where's that?
I mean, look at this sky. This is some ridiculous, beautiful blue sky behind us. We're not sure on the diamonds situation. We're gonna verify. I think it's quartz, and I think we're just about done with our efforts here. What? You're not done?
Keep going.
Lacey's gonna stay here all day. We did not find any diamonds, but we did
Calcium.
find some calcium. That's what Lacey had found. That kind of looked shiny, but we had fun. So we didn't come away with any treasure, but great memory. And we are building a fire. It's been a while since we had a fire. We've been in warmer weather. It's getting colder as we go north. We're gonna enjoy some fire tonight. We hope you guys are well wherever you are.
Good job, Levi.
Levi is the fire master. Nice job. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first so you never miss one of our videos.